Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access geo-restricted websites and apps with a VPN. So what gonna do, you will be just make sure that there are three options of VPN. Number one is that Express VPN, and the second one is a Node VPN. The third one is the Surfshark. So this is the reliable VPNs, and make sure you will just purchase the plan. So when you just purchase the plan, so there is the access availability to block all the apps or websites by through this VPN. When you just use it, so it will be just unable to use the all blocked websites. So in this way you will just have to access geo restricted websites apps with this VPNs. So number one is that Express VPN, second is NordVPN, and the third is Surfshark. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.